Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I will teach you how to freeze a row in Excel. Okay, at first, what is freezing or stable row in Excel? Freezing rows in Excel allows to keep certain rows visible while scrolling through large datasheet. This is useful when you want to keep headers or your labels visible on the top of your spreadsheet as you navigate down. Okay, to freeze rows, to freeze rows, selected the row below the one you want to freeze. I want this rows is freezing. Okay, so I selected it and uh, go to View tab. Here you can see a View tab appear here. Here you can click and expanded freezing options. Okay, and choose freezing pen. Here you can see a drop down menu. Okay, three option reveal here. We use freeze top row. Okay, just click here and you can see a magic when you go your spreadsheet down. You can see your header on the top uh, stable or freezing. Okay, yeah, you want to, when you need to unfreeze your header, just click freeze pans and unfreeze pans and you can see it is unfreezed. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you and you can understand well. Okay, please hit the subscribe button and continue our advanced Excel lesson. Thanks for watching.